Hello, everybody. I'm Zuzu. I'm tutoring several languages, one of them Kyrgyz language. Today, we are talking about ele, belе, delе. Well, ele used all kind of verbs in past tense. And it's fact, but its sentence must be continued. For example, I will give you some example. Мен бұл китепти окудум эле, бирок мазмунун унутуп калыптырмын. Мен бұл китепти окудум эле, бирок мазмунун унутуп калыптырмын. So I read this book, but I have forgotten its content. And another example. Алар былтыр барып келишти эле, бирок андан кийин эмне болгонун билбейм. Алар былтыр барып келишти эле, бирок андан кийин эмне болгонун билбейм. So they visited last year, but I don't know what happened after that. And so third example is мен көп ойночу элем, бирок окучу эмесмин. Мен көп ойночу элем, бирок окучу эмесмин. I used to play a lot, but I didn't study. So this is a way when we use ele, and now I would like to share when we can do like question. So usually in Kyrgyz language we use questions suffix is b. So ele and b, so we have to make plus and becomes belе. But sometimes you might be listen, some people say delе as well. So belе, delе is synonyms, so no problem there. You can use delе or belе. So again, new examples. Sen ага келерибизди айттың беле? Sen ага келерибизди айттың беле? So have you ever said that we will come? Okay, so next example. Apamды көргөн белеңиz? Апамды көргөн белеңиz? Have you ever seen my mom? And third one, айттым беле? Айттым беле? We use this question when you're a little bit irritated for some situation, or so in English we say, have I ever told you? Have I ever told you? Okay, that's good. So now we discussed like how we use suffix b plus ele becomes belе. So next one, of course, one more things I would like to say. Ele we use different way and different meanings, and I couldn't explain everything put in one video. Otherwise, this video should be long. So please welcome to my class. I'm tutoring in italki.com. So down there I will put and you can come and booking the class, and we will discuss more and more about this ele, belе, delе. Let's now discuss about negative. And negative we use ba, and sometimes it change for pa because of unvoiced consonant or voiced consonant. And let's do another example. Мен сага айтпадым беле? Мен сага айтпадым беле? And didn't I tell you? This one, yeah. And another example. Sen bu kitepti okubadın bile. Sen bu kitepti okubadın bile. So, haven't you read this book? And as another example is, biz hiç kaçan ajrashpaybiz debedik bile. So, biz hiç kaçan ajrashpaybiz debedik bile. So, didn't we agree that we would never get divorced? Yeah. Didn't we agree that we would never get divorced? Okay, so we discussed like how we can do question, we discussed how we can do negative, and we discussed how we can do positives, yeah, states. And now we will discuss like equivalent in English language, for example, like just or only. For example, it was only 5 o'clock. And in Kyrgyz we say saat 5 ile boluptur. Saat 5 ile boluptur. And only you can understand me. And in Kyrgyz we say sen ile düşüne alasın. Sen ile meni düşüne alasın. I got free only just now. We can say men azır ele boşadım. Men azır ele boşadım. So this is some ways, and we have one long sentence when we use all ele sometimes with one sentence. And it's funny because it's a really long sentence and there are a lot of ele. I would like just show what kind of sentence would be. It's like, I wanted to write as soon as I came home, but it was only 3 o'clock and I decided to relax just a little bit, but then you came. Got it? Maybe I can repeat again. I wanted to write as well as soon as I came home, but it was only 3 o'clock and I decided to relax just a little bit, but then you came. And Kyrgyz language, it's like Uygo kelimele, jazan dedim ele, bирок saat 3 ele boluptur. Biraz esal alsam mı dep turdum ele, sizler gelip kalmadыңарбы? So again, I will repeat. Uygo kelip ele, jazan dedim ele, bирок saat 3 ele boluptur. Biraz esalıp alsam mı dep turdum ele, sizler gelip kalmadыңарбы? So, of course, this is a long sentence. Of course, this is complicated sentence. So that's why I invite my class in italki.com. So please welcome, and we can do lesson where I can explain very well, deeply and widely, so this sentence and how we can use ele another way. So today we discuss like make question, make negative, make positive sentence. So thank you for watching. So happy that I can share with you this video. I would happy if you put like, subscribe, push the bell because other videos come soon, so you couldn't skip them. You can on time see and learn more and more Kyrgyz language. Thank you. See you later.